Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve this error. There is actually a fix for this problem on my channel, but it's a tutorial on its own that actually solves this problem as well. This problem happens because Nintendo servers tried to communicate with your modded console, but Atmosphere doesn't allow it and defends itself. To prevent this from happening, we need to redirect the servers. So let's get started. Open the link in the video description and download the emummc.txt file. Now you need to put this file on the SD card. Boot your Switch into Hekate. Then go to Tools, USB Tools, press SD card, and connect your Switch to your computer. When the SD card pops up, go to the Atmosphere host folder. If you don't have a host folder, create one. In the host folder, copy the file you downloaded. If you want the blocks to be applied to emummc, then rename the file as in the video. I have emummc created, so I won't rename it. Now eject your SD card and launch custom firmware, in my case emummc. As you can see, the error is gone. But if you still want to be sure that this works, you can check it. To check, you need to mount your SD card again. So go to Album, reboot to payload and confirm. Then go to Tools, USB Tools, press SD card, and connect your Switch to your computer. When the SD card pops up, go to the Atmosphere Logs folder and open the log file as in the video. If this starts with the following, the DNS redirection is active. On my channel you have many tutorials and fixes related to Nintendo Switch and much more. I regularly make updates related to Switch Jailbreak, so when a new firmware version is released, it will be uploaded on the channel as soon as possible. So follow me and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.